Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. So at this point, I think everybody's already been freaking out about Bitcoin hitting its highs, and actually, I think it hit 63. I think it did cross over, 63 in some exchanges, which I think is absolutely insane. As some of you guys know, I opened up some pretty big boy lots on Forex. I kind of want to open bigger lots. It does look like we have been on trend for the last, last couple of hours. We've been bouncing pretty well off, right? And I actually have, I think I have longs opened at 57, like 57K, 59K. And I kind of want to open another one right now, kind of like a short term. But I do want to open like a bigger lot on my Forex account for possibly this run to the upside. I mean, it would probably look like this, something like, I don't know, something like this, stop loss like down here, and this would probably be like up here somewhere. I don't know what it would look like, but something like that. I do think that Bitcoin is going to be rallying again. I'm looking for a bull close on the hour, so I wouldn't take this trade unless we have a bullish trigger on the upside. And then we kind of go from there to forecast to see how much we would actually move, right? So it'd be something similar to what, 57 to 59, and then also from 58 to like 61. So maybe like a 2K run from here, which would be what, from 61, 62-ish to possibly 64. So maybe somewhere like here would probably be the take profit or the next actual level of where Bitcoin can actually go on this hourly run. But yeah, everything's looking crazy bullish right now. There have been rumors of the ETF on Bitcoin officially passing also. I think it's been passed. I'm not 100% sure. I gotta double check my sources, but I think the ETF on Bitcoin has actually already passed. But I gotta double check my sources, and I'll definitely post another video. Also, I think there's 77 likes on that Shiba video, so I didn't think people were gonna like it. So I think I'm already out like $770 because I have to buy. I didn't think people were gonna like it. I didn't think people were gonna see it. So nobody go see the video because I do not want it to blow up, and I don't want it to get like 1,000 likes, and then I have to buy like $10,000 of Shiba or something. So don't go watch it. That's one of the reasons why I'm posting this video, because I know YouTube will probably show this one more than the other Shiba one. But anyways, Bitcoin hits 63K on some exchanges. It throws a wick up there, comes back down. I'm thinking it's gonna run again. I think it's gonna run in the next, possibly today to tomorrow, and sometime today, tomorrow, we might see a 64K Bitcoin after we close that bull trigger on the hour, and I think it's gonna happen sometime relatively soon. I don't expect Bitcoin to actually cut trend under here, but I think at most what it can do is come back to 60K, retest, and then run to the upside. But also the daily is about to close bullish 100% in about what, 1 minute and 13 seconds. You guys can see on the wrong, see, there you go. See, I even have my alert to long Bitcoin right now. So I'm actually gonna wait a little bit longer to long Bitcoin as soon as the hour actually closes bullish. Actually, let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is, 30-minute is about to close bullish. So I might actually even take the long right now. I don't know, man. It's we'll see. There's a lot of things that can happen right now. I would not be surprised if we see a 64K Bitcoin, sometime today or tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.